captivating journey through Castle De Haar, a Dutch masterpiece that marries historical grandeur with picturesque landscapes. I'm James from Via Travellers, and in this episode we will uncover some of the secrets and stories of the largest castle in the Netherlands. From its medieval foundations to its 19th century renovation, join me as we explore the corridors of history and the lush gardens that make Castle De Haar a desirable day out. Now, Castle De Haar is a bona fide castle near the city of Utrecht, dating back to the Middle Ages, somewhere around the 13th century. Originally built by the De Haar family, the castle has seen numerous disasters, battles, and changes in ownership, each adding a layer to its rich history. In fact, much of the original structure suffered through the centuries, leading to its eventual ruin and disuse by the late 1600s. It wasn't until the late 19th century that Baron Etienne van Zuyler van Nijvelt of the De Haar family decided to resurrect Castle De Haar to its former glory. He enlisted the architect Pierre Cuypers, renowned for designing Amsterdam's Rijksmuseum, to undertake this massive project. Cuypers not only restored the castle, but more or less reinvented it by integrating modern flair with the authentic medieval bones of the castle, transforming it into a luxurious family residence. Cuypers' design is a masterclass in neo-gothic architecture, featuring high spires, ornate turrets, and robust fortifications that appear to have leapt from the pages of a fairy tale. I know I say that a lot about many continental European castles, but look at it! The interior of the castle echoes this grandeur, with each room uniquely themed, showcasing rich tapestries, intricate wood carvings, and some spectacular frescoes. Entering the main hall, visitors are greeted by towering ceilings and radiant stained glass windows, each pane telling a story of the De Haar family's lineage. It's about as medieval as possible, in a good way. The central rooms, including the Knight's Hall, and the ballroom, and the banquet hall, are replete with luxurious furnishings that speak to the castle's opulent social past. But it's the private chambers that reveal the real personal tastes of the castle's wealthy inhabitants, adorned with bespoke furniture and personal artifacts. The library, a treasure trove of ancient manuscripts and leather-bound books, is also well worth a peek, offering a glimpse into the intellectual pursuits of the De Haars, but also a window into history. Make sure you get permission if you intend to start rifling through these tomes. Throughout the castle, an impressive collection of art and antiquities can be found, enough to rival some museums. These artifacts include rare paintings, medieval armour, and exotic curiosities collected from around the world, each piece adding to the gaudy tapestry of the castle. Surrounding the castle, the gardens are nothing short of a horticultural masterpiece. Designed by landscape architect Hendrik Copijn, they feature a harmonious blend of English and French landscaping styles. The gardens are segmented into smaller areas, each with its own character and vibe, from the serene lakes and the grand fountains to the hidden nooks cradled by lush greenery. The gardens are a sanctuary for a surprisingly diverse array of plants and wildlife. Seasonal blooms paint the landscape in vibrant colours, while tranquil ponds and streams attract a variety of birds and small mammals, creating a lively natural habitat. As always, spring is one of the best times to visit the Netherlands, when the tulips start to come out in full force. Visitors to the gardens can enjoy myriad of activities, whether it's a leisurely stroll along the manicured paths, an intimate picnic by the water's edge, or a guided tour that explores the ecological significance of the grounds. Whatever your flex, the gardens offer numerous opportunities to connect with nature and history. Being located near the college town of Utrecht, De Haar Castle is easily accessible by train or car from major Dutch cities like Amsterdam and Rotterdam. Upon arrival, visitors can choose from a variety of tour options, each providing a different perspective of the castle's heritage and beauty. For those wishing to extend their visit around Castle De Haar, check out Utrecht. The city and the surrounding area offer a range of accommodations, from luxury hotels to cosy bed and breakfasts. Most local dining options feature Dutch cuisine, but the city centre has a wider array of fare if you require something more international. The castle's not only a popular tourist destination, but also a sought-after venue for events and film productions. Its picturesque setting makes it ideal for weddings, while its historical ambience provides the perfect backdrop for films and photo shoots. It also plays host to the biannual Elfia, or Elf Fantasy Fair, the most fairy-centric fancy dress festival in the world. As we conclude our journey through Castle De Haar, it's interesting to ponder its journey. From a military installation to a cultural monument, a keeper of stories, and a testament to the architectural and artistic pursuits of the Netherlands, it's seen a lot. and in doing so, it deserves to be seen. Thank you for joining me on this historical exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Via Travellers for more adventures, and check out our main site at viatravellers.com. I'll see you again soon for more travel videos.